What's up guys, I am back on another video. Today we're gonna do a little cooking type of thing. It's not a challenge, we're just hungry and we're gonna put stuff together and yeah, bam. Oh boy, we got the seasonings, more seasonings and seasoning and yeah. Alright, for the seasonings we got lemon, pepper, minced garlic, crushed red peppers, onion powder, bam, meat tenderizer. We also got other stuff, but yeah. And what you eating?
Vietnamese candy.
Oh shit! Alright guys, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the meat and we're gonna cook the ronis, or what is it called? Rotinis. Alright, anyways, we got the meats, we're gonna put them in. We're just gonna keep everything rolling. Right now I'm getting water. Gonna boil up that water real quick. Wash your hands. Put that here. We're gonna throw that in later. And we're gonna cook the meat up. You got the meat? Let's do it. Ooh. How the hell? What the hell? Okay, you know what?
Using scissors.
Yeah, they make everything so complicated. Cut that off. Got my foot wet, but I don't care. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Now you know how you get all those meat right there. Just do it like that. And bam, bam, just like that. Oh, or you know, just use a spoon. Toss that. Open up another one. God. Gotta be careful. Everybody be careful. There you go. Oh, that was way easier. Alright, now we got the meat ready. Not ready yet, but we're gonna season it now. Alright, so we're gonna season it with everything. Alright, now I don't measure, so what I do is I do it by eyeballing. Alright, so you take that onion powder. Alright, that's good. Now, meat tenderizer. Again. You got lemon pepper. I freaking love lemon and pepper together. Man, pull that up. Damn lemons. And again. Alright. Minced garlic. This one, you gotta use a spoon. My hands are wet. Dang it. Oh, I love that smell. You wanna take a whiff? Oh, it's so good. So good, so good. Alright, what I do is take a nice scoop. Oh, that was supposed to happen. What? Like that. Dang, that looks heck good already. I put that aside. I already made a mess. So what? I don't give a fuck. Check on the water real quick. The water was good. Olive oil. Let me do that again. Olive oil. Olive oil. Check out that leg work though. Olive oil. Olive oil. Sponsor me. Just kidding. Oi! Cut that out. Take this. Drizzle some of this over it. Oh man. Now, some crushed red peppers. Like that. Chili pepper.
Hi. Hi.
All right, now that looks pretty lovely. Back over here. Wash your hands before you touch anything. Come on in. Alright, quick update, man. I don't know what I'm doing right now. We just wanted to make a quick video and we was gonna make some food later on anyways. So might as well make food and record it, and it's me and my lovely lady. Don't judge what I'm making because I like to do art and this is art and I just like to throw stuff together. Bear with us and get out. Alright, now we are back and the water is starting to boil. So now we're gonna get our rotinis and pour it on in. Stir it up, stir it up. Wake it up, wake it up. Stir it up, stir it up. Wake it up, wake it up. Stir it up, wake it up, stir it, stir it. Stir it, stir it up, wake it up. Stir it, wake it up. See that? And then now we're gonna get this one set up right here. So we can throw on this meat right there into that contraption, you know, and then just make a whole bunch of stuff. Contraption?
About to cook up the meat for our, what is it, pasta, I guess?
Some type of pasta we're making.
Some type of pasta we're making.
Just doing some minced garlic.
Yep.
Some olive oil. There goes the meat.
Yep. Toss it in, baby.
Now I got the lovely Hua Yang over here.
Hello.
Starting up the noodles. Now the noodles is all done. Oh yeah, we are back and look at it. It looks awesome. We're doing the tomatoes already. We forgot mushrooms to the side. Into this thing right there. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am. It looks hella good. It smells hella good. Smell it.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, yes.
Ready?
Yep.
One-handed. Let's go.
You're welcome.
Oh man.
There it goes.
It works.
It works.
Good.